Good morning. Happy 4th of July. So Quentin wanted to do his Chainsaw Man stuff.
What is Anime Expo?
Yep, and we bought it at Anime Expo. Here.
I want open corner.
Aki. Here, you can take them out. What do you want more of, Boo Boo?
Whole bunch of surgery.
A whole bunch of accessories.
That her?
That's Dingy.
Yes.
Dingy, Chainsaw Man. He has an extra face or mouth. Another tie, some hands. He moves around. More? Okay, I get you more. His legs bend, his arms, hands come up. Leave the owl alone. Don't sit on him, please.
And her head all round.
His head turns around.
I got some.
Okay, hold on. Let me get brother cereal.
Oh!
And he stands. Nice.
Mommy, you come back and I like that. It go like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I tried to. I did it.
Wow. Oh. It's okay. Chainsaw Man.
We open conflict. Con.
Kun.
We open.
How do you do the hand?
You put it in here and
No, not that. Aki's hand when he like that.
right here and that,
Mm-hmm.
and that.
Mm.
I'll open conflict.
Okay. When he fights.
It was just Jack David.
It looks like Jack Skellington. Really?
Yeah. Chainsaw Man Jack David.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
And open conflict.
Aki. His name is Aki. Kon is his
I'll open the hand.
demon.
I can open it.
Okay, help you. Aki. Oh, there's a whole bunch of accessories too?
Yeah. Only turn one surgery. Only
Oh, I see.
I'll do that one. Okay. One, two.
Oh, where he called, yeah. Too bad it doesn't come with the samurai. He has a samurai, remember? Oh, this one has a stand.
Oh. I thought it's a spider web.
You thought it was a spider web.
I take it and cut it out.
Aki. We should tell Daddy to do his hair like that. Here. Aki.
And the way it moves around?
Does it move around?
No.
No. So it's a stiff figurine. His arms move at least, but you can change out his fingers or his hands.
I take out her hand. I take out her hand.
Okay. Kon. spikes on the chainsaw got Quentin. Ah! Oh, convulsing over here. Whoa. Oh. Look, the dog's like, what is happening?
I grab Pochi.
Pochi? I think Pochi's upstairs, no? The stuffed animal? Oh, that Pochi. Okay. Come here. Okay, Pochi's not a dog. The ears. Isn't that cute, you guys? The ears go up. It's like it's saying hello. Whoa.
I got my Pochi ear. I got it. I got it. You put it all hard.
Cool. I love it.
It was just a Pochi flying.
Yeah? Okay, you guys. We should go eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Say bye, you guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
No.
No? But Mommy has to get food. We have to make you guys food.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.